What's up, Impactors? It's been a while. Actually learning machines. It's been a while and I've missed you guys. Let's talk about something very awesome. So I've experimented with a lot of free traffic resources, traffic sources in the past, and recently I started to do paid traffic. I'm using Facebook ads at the moment. Pretty soon I'm going to go into Google ads. Google ads is super powerful if you can find cheap cost per click keywords, possibly just one keyword, and base your whole entire website / landing page around that. And when you make the landing page, Google's very strict. You have to make sure that your site looks like a site. It also has a blog and has contact info and has a nav bar and all that stuff, because they want, I don't know, professional sites, not landing pages collecting email leads. But anyways, I've been working with CPA offers, Nutra offers, which are actually illegal to do on Facebook, but I found a very tricky way to do that. And I'm making around a couple $1,000s a day doing this, and my ad cost is around between $100 – $500. So I'm making very good profit margins, and I'm just running Facebook ads, very easy Facebook ads. It's not hard at all. It's the trick behind it all, and I'm using a specific landing page builder that's very cheap, not ClickFunnels for this one business. Yeah, and I've done dropshipping in the past, like you guys know, but I stopped that for a while because I was testing some things. Didn't do as well because they were free traffic sources. But the thing about paid traffic sources, guys, you gotta know is it's targeted traffic. If you're targeting correctly, it's the exact people you want, and for your CPA offers. So yeah, I've been doing Nutra, beauty, health offers. I'm also doing sweepstake offers. And the trick behind it all is so clever, it's unbelievable. So here's the deal. What if every time you spent $1, you made $1 back? Like, that is what it's all about. But what if every time you spent $1, you made $10 back? If you listen to what I said, spending $100 to $500, making thousands a day, it varies obviously because they can't dish out the exact traffic and it's a numbers game. A certain percentage will convert and all that, but it's definitely around that range every day, and it's very crazy. So I'm not just putting in $1 and making $2 back. I'm putting in $1 and making over $5 back. So it's very powerful. I've mastered Facebook ads. My cost per clicks, they're around 5 cents and lower with Facebook ads for affiliate offers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually throw in some courses and share my top secret information. This is very limited time. I'm going to only open it up for a little bit. I'm happy that the Learning Machine family is growing, and I'm like, hey, we're growing. I might as well give some value to you guys now that we're at 220 subscribers. Obviously we're going to be at more by the time you watch this, but it's very great. So in the description down below, I decided I'm going to either promote, because when I'm making this video, I've been thinking about what kind of courses I'm going to make, and I'm going to make a free traffic course for affiliate marketing, and then a paid traffic course for affiliate marketing. And then I'm going to bundle them together. If you want both, it'll be a deal. So that is what I'll do. Take advantage of this opportunity. Something that I've really learned over time is you gotta invest in your brain. Its ROI is way more than, and invest in paid ads, like that's where it's at. But invest in your brain, invest in paid ads, and the ROI is 10-fold, 100-fold. It's crazy. And also, what's the point of just saving money if you're not going to use it? Money's useless. It's like dirt, okay? It just rots away too, like a log or something, like a mushroom in the forest, I don't know. But anyways, money needs to be used. It cannot just sit there. You guys gotta invest in your brain, that's my point here. This is limited time only. I'm gonna have the courses down below. You guys gotta take action on this now. Like, this is a big deal. And I'm gonna just put in a ton of value there, teach you step by step what to do. It's very simple. It's super easy. You should be able to get results if you take action on this. Like, it's insane. Hopefully you have a little around $500 to $1,000 to spend on ad spend if you want to make a lot of money. And this will be version 1.0, and I'll keep updating it. You guys will be the first group, and it'll be great. And this will help us grow the Learning Machine Impactor family and just all of us making money together, and that's what it's all about, everyone having success together. So yeah, let's talk about, there might be something else I want to talk about, but that's basically it, guys. I'm going to have the courses down below. If you guys are interested, check them out, because this can change your life. Like, if you're in a business right now and you're not making as much as you want, and then you want a better opportunity to make more money very easily, do this. If you have money right now and you think about what to do this. This is where it's at. I am telling you right now. The thing that I love about it, and I'll make a quick list of all the benefits of this. This is great. So the benefits, it's extremely passive. Once you have your campaign set up, super passive. It's easy to get started. The skills needed, you do need some skills, but I'm sure if you're watching this you have skills, so no big deal. You can get results very fast, and then you don't have to do any fulfillment. There's no fulfillment needed, which is so great, because in dropshipping, dude, you need to fulfill the orders, you need to talk to customers. The affiliate stuff you're promoting, it's just like they convert, you get a commission, and you spend $1, make $1, and as long as you're profitable, you just keep going and scale up how much you're spending, and when you make your money back, just reinvest, reinvest, and reinvest until you've spent or died down the campaign. You start a new campaign in a whole new niche, and then do it all over again for super cheap. And my methods with Facebook ads is totally different from what people talk about in dropshipping. It's insane. Like, I'm getting cost per clicks for so cheap, it's insane. And the whole strategy behind the ads, it's like very, very unique. You aren't going to get any results if you don't do what I'm going to teach in this. It's like very unique. I've studied marketing for years, 8 hours a day. I'll be sharing my story in the future. It's pretty crazy. But I'm going to share it when I actually build my tech businesses, because then there's big results to share there. I mean, a couple thousand a day is pretty good, but it's like, I want to share my story when I'm making a big business, after I made a big business. But alright, very passive, very easy, very fast, it's no fulfillment. If you guys want to write down anything else in your brain about it, then great. But like, it's like the best thing. You got all this freedom. Freedom, time freedom, everything. It's so passive. Like, you're making, the ads are running in your sleep, they're running when you're pooping, they're running when you're reading, they're running when you're studying and learning. The ads are running full time, making you money and hopefully converting if you pick the right offers. People always just promote one offer. That's a big secret to all this. Some people just are promoting one offer. It's like, how can you be profitable in today's age with just promoting one offer? That's a big secret right there, but it's not even enough of a secret to even help you out. You guys gotta get these courses, okay? So, share with your friends about this who would be interested, and this is basically it. This is the most epic way to make money ever. Super epic. So, if you guys don't buy it, it's your loss, but just keep being a learning machine. If you don't buy it, you are awesome. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'll keep bringing value to you. You have a good day, my friend. Peace out.